Hey, hi there.
Hey, hi, welcome to the Mindful Abundance.
Tell us who you are.
Sure, I'm Khushii. I'm a personal development trainer, coach, a conscious minimalist, and a millennial mom.
Tell us about your vision.
Well, having first hand experience with depression, anxiety, and stress, and successfully coming out of it, I decided to help as many people as possible to understand their emotional and mental health, to talk about it, and to rise above it and live a happy, productive life they desire.
So, what content do we expect?
That's a good question. I create content that will help you grow and live a meaningful and abundant life. I also talk about conscious minimalism because I believe a clutter-free and a simple life is a key to the happy mind. So I invite you all to be a part of mindfulness and manifestation. Let's rewrite our stories together. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you'll get notified each time I upload a video. You can also visit my website for programs, blogs, and workshops. See you on this journey. Stay happy and take care.